Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp failed to process video. To know how to fix WhatsApp failed to process video, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here. And when you will see this page, you will click force stop. After that, you will enter to storage, and then you will go to clear cache. After that, you will go to clear data, and after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.